Pushpa 2 continues the saga of Pushparaj, an ambitious and rebellious man who rises from a small smuggler to a powerful figure in the world of red sandalwood smuggling. Set in the dense forests of the Rayalaseema region, the movie delves deeper into Pushpa's journey as he confronts new challenges, rivalries, and his quest for ultimate dominance. Pushpa, now the undisputed king of red sandalwood smuggling, has consolidated his power. However, his growing influence attracts the attention of larger forces, including international smuggling syndicates and corrupt politicians who see him as both a threat and an opportunity. Despite his newfound power, Pushpa remains grounded in his roots, fiercely loyal to his people and his family. His rise also intensifies his rivalry with Bhamwar Singh Shekhawat, the ruthless and cunning police officer who once tried to crush Pushpa's ambitions. The tension between the two escalates when Bhamwar Singh returns with a personal vendetta, determined to bring Pushpa down at any cost. What follows is a cat-and-mouse game between them, marked by strategic maneuvers, betrayal, and raw action. Amidst the chaos, Pushpa faces challenges within his own ranks. Some of his allies grow envious of his success and secretly conspire against him. Meanwhile, Pushpa's relationship with Srivalli is tested as the dangers of his lifestyle put their family at risk. Despite the odds, Srivalli stands by Pushpa, becoming his emotional anchor. As the stakes grow higher, Pushpa decides to take his empire beyond the borders of India. His vision is not just to dominate the smuggling business but to create a legacy that will be remembered forever. This ambition leads him to form alliances with powerful international players. However, these alliances come with their own set of challenges, including betrayal and the risk of losing control over his operations. The climax builds to an explosive confrontation between Pushpa and Bhamwar Singh. Pushpa, with his wits and raw strength, outsmarts his enemies in a way that showcases why he is not just a smuggler but a force of nature. The story concludes with Pushpa standing tall, not just as a kingpin but as a symbol of rebellion and resilience, leaving the audience in awe of his journey. After his triumph over Bhamwar Singh, Pushpa secures his position as the unchallenged leader of the Red Sandalwood Empire. But peace is short-lived. News spreads of his dominance, drawing the attention of a dangerous cartel from abroad. This cartel, with its advanced network and brutal methods, seeks to control the red sandalwood trade and sees Pushpa as an obstacle. They send their enforcer, Michael, a cold and calculated assassin, to eliminate him. Meanwhile, Pushpa grows restless. Despite his victories, he feels the weight of his decisions and the bloodshed that follows him. His relationship with Srivalli becomes strained when she questions whether this life is worth risking their family's future. Her fears intensify when Michael's men infiltrate their town, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. For the first time, Pushpa begins to question the cost of his ambition. Michael, however, underestimates Pushpa's cunning. Unlike any adversary before, Michael plays a psychological game, targeting Pushpa's loved ones and allies. The tension mounts as Pushpa is forced to go underground, rallying his loyal followers and preparing for a decisive battle. The once celebrated kingpin is now a hunted man. Pushpa, however, is not one to bow. He uses the forests, his home turf, to his advantage. His intimate knowledge of the terrain turns the tables against Michael and the cartel. In a gripping series of encounters, Pushpa's resourcefulness and ferocity shine as he dismantles the cartel's operations. Piece by piece, sending a message that no outsider can claim his land. The final showdown between Pushpa and Michael takes place in the heart of the forest, amidst a raging storm. Pushpa, bloodied but unbroken, uses his unyielding will and clever traps to defeat Michael. With his enemy vanquished, he sends a clear message to the world: no one can take what he has earned with his blood and sweat. In the aftermath, Pushpa returns to his village. He rebuilds his life with Shrivalli and their child, attempting to balance his empire with his role as a family man. While the shadows of his past continue to loom, Pushpa emerges as a symbol of resilience and defiance, inspiring his people to fight for their identity and freedom. The story ends with Pushpa standing atop a hill, looking over the forest that made him who he is, determined to protect it at all costs. His legacy is cemented, but his journey, as he knows, is far from over.